Hi everyone, this is Dr. Nitin Chhoda with Ignition Time and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being a viewer. Thank you so much for being a subscriber. I really appreciate you. If you're not a subscriber already, please consider subscribing below. Please enable notifications so you get instant updates from me and from our channel. Now, this channel is not just about stimulus news and unemployment benefits. This channel is about knowing what's going on in the world around us. This channel is about helping us understand exactly the struggles that other fellow citizens are going through, that individuals around us are going through, and this channel is designed to empower you, to help you understand what is indeed possible. This channel will teach you how to manage your money. This channel will teach you how to invest your money. This channel will teach you how to start a business and how to get a better job going forward as we try and get through this pandemic, because this is a new world, a new reality that we live in. Speaking of new realities, this is a rather unusual and it's in many ways an inspiring story. It's a story that we can learn from. It's a story about a woman in Florida who lost her job. She's a mom, so the mom lost her job and went on unemployment. Okay, so far so good. Sounds like many other stories. Now she finds a job cleaning buses. Okay, she finds a job cleaning buses and she goes off unemployment. So far, this sounds like, a story like millions of other individuals. This is where the story gets different. 2 days later, she tests positive for COVID and she loses her job. Okay, so again, 2 days later, she tests positive for COVID and she loses her job. Then she's deemed ineligible for unemployment benefits. This is where things start to get, this is, where we enter the unusual area, if you will. So what happens is she is deemed ineligible to continue to get unemployment benefits. She faces homelessness. Okay, she faces homelessness, and then local news intervenes and helps her. This is quite a story. You see the story on your screen. News 6 DEO helps single mom unlock 12 weeks of unemployment benefits. A mother of 5, she's a mother of 5, diagnosed with COVID just days after starting her new job. Let's play the video and let's watch this video side by side and let's see what happened here. Quite amazing. And this tells you that, when there's a way, there's a way, and I'm hoping that everybody else can gain some inspiration from a video like this. And I do want to share videos. I do want to share stories from around the country that hopefully are beneficial in this climate. I want to be able to spread goodwill. I want to be able to provide hope. Let's watch.
Tonight, a single mom of 5 finally lands a job, then tests positive for COVID-19. Now she's trying to get her employment benefits back.
News 6 investigator Mike Holfeld has been working this story. He is live in the newsroom with more on this, Mike.
Thanks, Lisa. Good evening. 5 kids, no income, and a lot of bills. Can you imagine? Kim Cleckley had just landed a job after being out of work for months. She called News 6 because after testing positive for COVID, she had to leave that job. She's unemployed again. She needs those benefits.
Don't have anything, and I feel like I deserve to have what is granted to me.
Kimberly Cleckley is the victim of bad luck and a DEO technicality.
Every time I look on them, I keep seeing the same thing. Return back to work, but that shouldn't be there.
After punching in a little over 11 hours training for a new job to sanitize public transportation vehicles, she tested positive for COVID-19.
So you worked 2 days and that was it?
2 days of training and that was it.
The mother of 5 was forced to quarantine beyond 14 days because her kids were all attending virtual classes at home. She didn't want to risk infecting them.
How are you making ends meet now?
Right now, my mom, she helps out, and that's about it.
Her most recent COVID test came back negative, but the test that forced her off the job has left her in an unemployment catch-22.
I have like 12 different things with the dates, and it's saying hold.
Her daily visit to the DEO website has been a repeat of that. Her account is active, eligible, but the benefits are sitting there, on hold.
I asked to speak to a supervisor first, and then they told me to be patient. They're backed up, that they're going to try to get to my case. That was it.
News 6 sent Kimberly's story to the DEO in Tallahassee. The results? Look, her account has been updated. A payment of $1,235 has been issued. Her wait is over.
And I can tell you, Mom is happy.
The benefits were deposited into her bank account on Wednesday, but Kim tells me that money is basically spent for the past bills, and she is looking for work again. If you'd like to help Kimberly and her family, or you have an unemployment issue, you know what to do. Email us, makeendsmeet@wkmg.com. We always work for you.
So what a story this is. And this lady's name is Kimberly Cleckley. And as you can see in the article, Kimberly Cleckley has been fighting to get her state unemployment benefit insurance restarted after a 2-day training session for a new job was cut short because she tested positive for COVID. Quite unbelievable. I mean, she's been through quite a bit. 2 days of training, and that was it. The frustrated mother of 5 told the news. She said, I'm behind in everything. And she's not the only one. I know that my viewers, my subscribers need quick cash now. You know, we need money to pay our bills. We need money to keep the lights on. We need to put food on the table. We need to pay rent. You know, it's I understand what everyone's going through, which is why I started this channel to try and help as many individuals as I can. And Kimberly said, the bills have been mounting, and without family, she would already be out on the streets. She said that she had just landed the public transportation bus cleaning position in Brevard County when the test for COVID-19 came back positive. And News 6, the news station that actually broke this news, and you saw the video from the news station, they listed her, they reviewed her payroll sheet to confirm that she only worked a total of 11 and a half hours. That's it. That's all she worked, just 11 and a half hours. And her account listed her as returned to work, which means that her unemployment benefits went on hold. So that's what happened. Again, it's a normal story up to a point. And basically, she said, I asked to speak to a supervisor, and then they told me to be patient. They're backed up because the unemployment benefit insurance systems are completely overloaded all across the country. And she said, I have like 12 different lines with the date, and it's saying hold, 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 hold. And she's not the only one. There are millions of individuals all over the country who are waiting for their unemployment benefits. It's just the state of our unemployment benefit system is that it was not designed to handle load like this. But then again, it's not your fault. It should have been designed. Some systems haven't been updated for almost 50 years. Keep in mind, this system was introduced in the 1930s, and we now live in a situation where millions of individuals are depending on this system, and it's not coming through for us. So News 6 contacted the Department of Economic Opportunity to shine a spotlight on Cleckley's status. And so the DEO press secretary, Paige Landrum, said that the DEO always reviews the work history of any person seeking benefit after they have been employed again. And this is what the press secretary said. She said, individuals that have returned to work will need to undergo review through the department's adjudication process to ensure benefits are paid only for the weeks the claimant is unemployed. So think about this, that 2-day period during which she was employed, it wasn't her fault she tested positive. She probably doesn't even know how she got it. But because of that, her case goes into an on-hold status. The system isn't efficient enough to put her on hold for 2 days and then to restart her benefits right after that. And, I understand the overload in the system, but think about her position for a second. Now she was employed for 2 days. So she now needs unemployment benefits, but now she's on hold because, she now becomes a statistic in the system. She's almost at the back of the line through no fault of her own. And so on Wednesday, Cleckley said that she had received the back pay in her bank account. So it sounds like the media pressure and the fact that the media covered this did indeed help her, because clearly her case went from the back of the line to the front of the line. And she has tested negative for COVID twice and is currently looking for another job in the Fort Lauderdale area. And that is where things stand right now. So if you're struggling to get your unemployment, hey, here's an idea. Contact the local news and see if they can shine a spotlight on your case. In fact, better yet, see if you can form a group, a community, and collectively call the local news. See if that helps. Again, I wanted to share this with my viewers and subscribers because I'm trying to help. This channel is about trying to pay it forward and about trying to help. If you don't know anything about me, my name is Dr. Chhoda with Ignition Time. Check out my video. I have the fortune fortune, the honor, the privilege of living the American dream. You'll learn about who I am, what my journey has been like, and why you should listen to me. So hopefully you'll understand where I'm coming from, because I understand what individuals are going through. We release videos at 2 p.m. East Coast time most days of the week. That's 2 p.m. East Coast time. So please make sure you click like, you subscribe, you enable notifications. That's your vote of confidence in me and my team, all the hard work that we do trying to put out these videos and this content. So please click like, please subscribe, please enable notifications. Speaking of notifications, you can get your cell phone out. You can send a text message with the word ignition or with the word time to 70,000. That's 70000, and then you'll get added to our SMS alerts list, and you can opt out at any time. You can also get added to our email list. Simply go to ignitiontime.com/alerts. That's ignitiontime.com/alerts, and then you can be on our email list and our SMS list. You can opt out of either of them at any moment in time. There's no problem with that. Now make sure you bookmark youtube.com/ignitiontime. That's youtube.com/ignitiontime. This way, you don't have to be dependent on YouTube notifications, because sometimes YouTube does not send out notifications. So again, make sure you bookmark this in your browser, youtube.com/ignitiontime. Finally, please make sure you follow us on Instagram. Our Instagram handle is ignition_time. That's ignition_time. We release exclusive content on Instagram. Follow us on Twitter. You'll get real-time breaking news alerts from us on Twitter. Our Twitter handle is also ignition_time. So please make sure you follow us on Twitter. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, we release videos at 2 p.m. East Coast time most days of the week. My name is Dr. Nitin Chhoda. Please click like, please subscribe, please enable notifications. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next episode of Ignition Time. Thank you. Bye.